Yesterday was easy, but today we level up. If your child can solve these in 5 seconds, they are already ahead of 90% of students. So let's move ahead. Ready? No calculator, no fingers, just brain. So these are the questions in front of you, and you have to solve while pausing the video. So you can pause now and try to solve them within 20 seconds. Okay? Like 5 seconds for each of the question. Now you can check out the answers. These are the answers. Score yourself like 4 out of 4, or out of 4 you have to score yourself. Good? Or less than that? We train. It's okay. Day 2 is about building speed with smart methods. Okay. Instead of memorizing from scratch, break it. For example, this is a question in front of you. You have to multiply 13 from 7. Like you can memorize the tables also, but instead of memorizing, you can break it down. Like you can break 13 into 10 and 3, then you can multiply 10 with 7 and 3 with 7 differently. Okay, now you already know, like if you multiply 10 with 7, the answer is 70, and if you multiply 3 with 7, the answer is 21, and on addition the answer will be 91. So instead of memorizing it, you can simply break it down. Okay, now faster, cleaner, no stress. And if we talk about the exponents, so you should know, like the exponent of 17 to the power 2 is 289. But if someone is having trouble to memorize it altogether, you can simply break down, because memorizing the numbers having one digit as 0 is way more easier than the other numbers. So you can simply remember the exponent to the power of 20, 10, 30 way more easier than the other numbers. So for the exponent of 17 to the power 2, you can divide or you can break it down between 20 and 3. So if you found like the exponent to the power of 20 minus exponent to the power of 3, the answer will be 400 minus 120. Okay, plus 400 minus 120 plus 9. Simply you have used here the algebraic expression, which is a minus b's whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, and on solving this, you can simply get 289. This method is for those students who has trouble like in remembering or memorizing all the tables, exponents, or the percentages. So we have different method for different children with different learning abilities. Now this trick is like you have to memorize plus visualize. Okay, like for the tricks is like if you want to learn the exponent to the power 3 of 9, you have to visualize 7 to 9 and try to memorize it by visualizing the numbers. And exponent of 10 to the power 3 is 10 or 1000. Okay, this is a trick where you memorize plus visualize. Okay, if we talk about the percentages, 5% is basically the half. Okay, so it is 1 by 20. 1% is basically 1 by 100, and 75% is 3 by 4. This is how toppers think, not by mugging, but by patterns. Okay, these should come instantly, like no thinking. Okay, now fractions makes life easy. So if you learn the fractions in this manner, it will be easier for you to calculate the discount percent, profit percent, loss percent, everything like cost price, selling price, and all those things. Okay, now if we talk about the other thing, now let's push your speed. Okay, you have to solve these quickly. You should pause the video and try to solve these questions by your own. Okay, these are the 4 questions in front of you. Again, you have to solve them within 20 seconds, right? Okay, I hope you try to solve these questions. Now you can find out the answers and check how much score you have gained. Okay, this is the second last round, and this is the final round. You have to solve these questions again within 20 seconds, because these are again 4 questions. One question you will get like 5 seconds. Okay, so Again, you can pause the video and try to solve them. These are the answers of these questions. This was the final round for today. Okay. If your child struggles with calculations, it's not back of, or you can say it's not lack of intelligence, it's lack of training. So join our 7-day challenge or 7-day calculation challenge and watch their speed, confidence, and marks transform. Message now to join the batch. And we'll see you in the next video.